Hey, Leah. Thanks for the question. So I pulled up your work for WAMAP for skill 11. You'd asked about questions number 14 and 15. Nice job on part A. So B is not all real numbers. All real numbers refers to a special type of situation that we have not learned about yet. So that should not show up as an answer for anything we're doing right now. We'll get there in a week or two. That'll definitely show up. So you'll be ahead when we get there. Um, so for part B, it says f of x is 19. That is the output since it is after the equal sign. So we're going to replace, in the original expression, we'll replace the f of x with that output of 19. And then we'll work backwards to find out what input, what x value we would have had to start at. So we could take that mystery number, multiply by 7, and subtract 9. So work backwards. Whoops, lost a D. Solving, it says in the direction solve f of x equals 19. And so that's the cue. I'm gonna use sad mag to tell me what order I need to do this in. So subtracting and adding is gonna happen first. So I'm gonna undo the subtracting by 9. And it's gonna give me 28. And the negative minus 9 and plus 9 are gonna cancel each other out. So just the 7x is left here. And then I need to undo this 7 times x, figure out where I started from. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7, and that will leave just the x on the right side. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So this one would be 4. You can, I don't know how many attempts you've got. Looks like you've got some attempts left. So you could certainly reattempt another problem. On the previous questions, you had done these type of problems where it asks in part B to solve. So there should not be anything different on this problem from what you've done on the previous problems, and it looked to me like you've done those correctly. So uh, that's my advice. Do the same thing you were doing on the previous ones. All real numbers is, like I said, not something that's going to show up right now. We will get to it in a couple weeks. That would happen if in the original equation there were x's in more than one place. There'd have to be an x on the left side of the equal sign and also another x on the right side of the equal sign. And then when you do this solving, working backwards, the process of solving, those x's are gonna like cancel each other out. So you'd have like one x on one side, one x on the other, and when you subtract the x, they'd cancel out. So there'd be no x's left. That's the kind of thing that would lead us to enter all real numbers as an answer, but that comes later. Anyway, so hope that helps, and you're doing great. Keep it up. Bye.